Hello my dear students, I hope you are doing well. Today lectures about reference materials. Let us have a start. As we mentioned of the part of research, we have the part of reference section, which includes of bibliography and appendix. What do we mean by bibliography? Bibliography, any source you cited and the report should be listed in their reference that we called bibliography at the end of the report. The bibliography is primarily an alphabetical list of books and other printed or manuscripted materials, not a record of what is in them. Each bibliography entry should answer three questions. Who wrote it? It means who is the author. The second question, what is the title, the topic of the book or this written manuscript? And the third question, what are the facts of publications? It means the place of publication, the date of publication, and so on. In preparing a good bibliography, the following guidelines are useful for you. First guide. References are arranged in alphabetical order according to the last name of the author, which is listed first. The second one, each entry is placed flush with the left margin of the page, and subsequent lines are single spaced and indented 5 spaces, a double space separated entires. The third one, if no author name is given, the name of the publication or the sponsoring organization or sometimes the title is listed as the author disregarding a or an or the, then the name of the organization, and also it organized alphabetically. The last one, page numbers of an article or other item from a periodical or reference work should be given. Here is some examples of bibliography. Notice the indent, which is written here as hanging indent, and the single spaces. Also the last name of the publisher or the author, pages also, and so on. Here is the reference. And here is a comparison between bibliography and reference. The second component of reference part, which is appendixes. These appendixes are used for materials that supplement the text but are not appropriate for inclusion in it. They may include tables and data important but not essential to understanding of the report. Examples of appendixes are copies of cover letter used, printed forms of questionnaire, test and other data gathering devices, original data, summary tabulations, lengthy tables contain data of lesser importance, supplementary illustrative materials, and special computer programs or printout. Each separate entry heading is listed as Appendix, for example A, Appendix B, and so on. Each separated entry heading is listed as, for example, Appendix A for the questionnaire copyright, Appendix B for the, for example, test copyright, and so on. Okay, so reference to items contained in the appendixes is made in the text of the paper. If you have any comment or question, please leave it in the comment. Thank you for your listening. Thanks for your time and have a good day.